The Phrygian Mode, based on the third note of the parent key. The formula is 1, flattened second, flattened third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, flattened sixth, and flattened seventh. Its distinctive characteristic sound features the minor second interval and the minor sixth interval. This gives it a unique quality. Once more at half speed. The key thing to bear in mind with modes is that it's a slightly different approach to performance. For example, once you establish a mode in a piece of music, generally you stick to it. In diatonic music, you can have modulations to any of the other 11 keys, but with modes, you tend to stay in the same mode. That doesn't mean you're restricted. For example, using the Phrygian mode opens up all kinds of alternative sonic patterns. So what do I mean by that? If your intention is to write or play something a bit unfamiliar, a bit different and unusual, then use the Phrygian mode. I guarantee it will give you an alternative sonic palette. Hopefully what you're looking for. Try this simple riff as an example. I'll leave the drum track for you to try this out. Go between octaves as well.